A lot of uproar is going on over Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. While for some he was a brutal Islamist tyrant, for others he was a great Mughal ruler. Where do you place Aurangzeb as a historian, sir?
In this context, I would like to quote Mr. V.S. Naipaul, who has got Nobel Prize in 2003. He has written a book, India, a Wounded Civilization. This is the tyranny of the Indian society. He says India is the only country in the world which doesn't consider their history as authentic. It considers the history written by outsiders as authentic. In England, nobody says that the written by French is authentic, not by British is authentic. In Germany, nobody says that the Germans have written is not authentic. It is Italians who have written it. So is the, but here, जो हमारा इतिहास है वो हमें नहीं. The second thing he said that in any country in the world, in any war, only one king is considered as hero, whether he won or lost. But in India, it is a tyranny of the situation or dichotomy of the situation. One section says that that is hero and other says that is hero, because India is a wounded civilization. And not only this, we have not only accounted for the foreigners' reference, we have accounted for those foreigners' reference which were our enemies. Like Megasthenes, a Greek scholar, has written good things about India. We do not teach in our syllabus and we do not talk about that. Then Fayan, Wensong, Itzing, Marco Polo, Manucci, so many are there. No, we will rely on Britishers who are there to loot the country. तो लुटेरों के इतिहास को ऑथेंटिक मानकर चलने वाले देश में ऐसी दुविधाएं क्रिएट होती ही हैं. एंड एज फार एज औरंगजेब इज कंसर्न, वेदर ही वाज अ टायरेंट और he was a good person, I would like to quote his father, Shah Jahan. When he was in jail, he was just getting one surahi of water. When the summer season came, Shah Jahan asked कि मुझे एक और सुराही दे दो, and Aurangzeb refused. So the hurt, wretched and frustrated Shah Jahan has written two lines in Persian to Aurangzeb. ए पिसर तू अजब मुसलमानी, दे पिदरे जिंदा आप तरसानी, आफरीन हिंदुआन सदबार, दे देहंद मुर्दावा पितराम पिदरा दयाम आप. इसका मीनिंग जानते क्या है? द मीनिंग इज, कैसा मुसलमान है तू जो जिंदा बाप को पानी के लिए तरसा रहा है, बूंद बूंद पानी के लिए. मैं आफरीन करता हूं 100 बार उन हिंदुओं को जो पितृपक्ष में अपने मरे हुए बाप को भी पानी देते हैं. सर, अब जिसके बाप ने ये कहा हो, अब आप समझ लीजिए, अब कोई औरंगजेब के बाप से बड़ा उसका जानकार हो, तो आई लेफ्ट टू द विजडम ऑफ द व्यूअर्स.